How many times have you swiped your credit card without really understanding the rewards system? Ever wondered if you're missing out on maximizing those benefits? Well, you're not alone. Let me take you on a journey into the world of credit card rewards, where we'll uncover the secrets to getting the most out of your plastic. You're standing at the checkout counter, ready to make a purchase. As you reach for your wallet, you're faced with a decision. Which credit card to use? It may seem like a simple choice, but the rewards and perks tied to each card can make a significant difference in your financial life. Number 1. Understanding credit card rewards. To make informed decisions about credit card rewards, you first need to understand how they work. Credit card rewards come in various forms, including cashback, travel miles, points, and statement credits. Each type of reward offers unique benefits, and the key is to choose the one that aligns with your lifestyle and spending habits. Cashback rewards provide you with a percentage of your spending back in cash, making it a straightforward and flexible option. Travel miles, on the other hand, can be redeemed for flights, hotel stays, and other travel-related expenses, making them ideal for frequent travelers. Points-based reward systems offer versatility, allowing you to redeem points for a variety of rewards, from merchandise to gift cards. Number 2. Maximizing rewards. Tips and strategies. Now that you have a grasp of the different types of credit card rewards, it's time to dive into strategies for maximizing them. One of the most effective ways to maximize rewards is by leveraging bonus categories. Many credit cards offer higher rewards rates for specific spending categories, such as groceries, dining, or gas. By using the right card for each purchase, you can earn more rewards on your everyday spending. Another strategy is to take advantage of sign-up bonuses. Many credit cards offer lucrative sign-up bonuses to new cardholders who meet certain spending requirements within the first few months. These bonuses can provide a significant boost to your rewards balance, so it's worth considering opening a new card if the offer aligns with your spending habits. Number 3. Pitfalls to avoid. While credit card rewards can be lucrative, there are pitfalls to watch out for. One common mistake is overspending to earn rewards. It's essential to stick to your budget and only make purchases that you can afford to pay off in full each month. Carrying a balance on your credit card can quickly negate any rewards earned due to high interest charges. Additionally, be wary of annual fees. Some rewards credit cards come with annual fees, which can eat into the value of your rewards if you're not careful. Before applying for a card with an annual fee, make sure the benefits outweigh the cost, especially if you don't plan to use the card frequently. Number 4. The future of credit card rewards. As technology continues to evolve, so too will credit card rewards programs. We can expect to see innovations such as personalized rewards offerings based on individual spending habits and preferences. Additionally, advancements in fintech may lead to new ways to earn and redeem rewards, making the process even more seamless and rewarding for consumers. Stay tuned for the next chapter, where we'll delve deeper into specific credit card rewards programs and uncover insider tips for maximizing your benefits. Don't miss out on the opportunity to level up your rewards game and make the most of your credit cards. If you like the video, then please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel.